Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to deposit money on Pocket Option using Visa card. Now the first thing I want you to do is launch Pocket Option, come to the top left, click on your profile icon, and then I want you to tap here on deposit, or you can tap here on finance as well. And then click on deposit. And now here you'll see your country region. You can select that, make sure you choose your correct country region, and then you can scroll down and see the different options available. So you can use cards, you can use it right here, bank card as well. So you select the one that is applicable to you. We'll use this one right here, Visa, MasterCard. So you can see the minimum is $5. So just tap on it. And then you'll see your details. You just input your amount that you would like to go ahead and deposit right here. Let's say 500. And then you just go ahead and scroll down and tap on this option right here. Okay. Continue and pay. Right. Click on that. And then you just have to enter your card number, your expiration date, your CVV code that you'll find at the back of the card, name on the card. And if you want to save it, you can save it as well. And then just tap on pay. That's all you have to do. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.